Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Anjum Sheikh and welcome back to another video. Yes guys, this video is also going to be a study vlog after a long time. Yes guys, this is going to be a study vlog. Now it's around 2:30 in the afternoon, and the reason why I'm starting this vlog so late is just that in this week I just have my internal exam. Currently I am pursuing third year BBA. So in our college we are having an internal exam that is online. So I'm also done with the internal exam in the morning. After that I just had a 2-hour lecture from 12 to 2 o'clock. I am also done with that. So now I will just go have my lunch, and after that I just have to do a 4-hour session for environment geography. I'm just going to do that. So now I will just go have my lunch, and after that I am just going to do a 4-hour session for environment geography. So yeah, I will just go have my lunch and I'll see you guys at 3 o'clock. Now it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and I'm going to start the first session for environment geography. I'm going to do a 4-hour session for environmental geography, but now I'm just setting a timer for 2 hours. After that I will just take a short break and again do 2 hours of environment geography. Now I'm doing my environment geography from the Vision IS notes that I recently bought. I will be reviewing these notes in the further part of the video. So yeah, stay tuned for that also.
Are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. Been trying to get a hold of you all night. We haven't talked in months, but that's alright. Was wondering if you wanted to go for a drive. I just need some fresh air and an old friend. I'm so glad that we started talking again. Yo, turn up the radio, I love this song. Remember when we used to stay up all night long? How's it been going? Oh, how's it, mom? The roads are so empty, this is so damn calm. If we stick on the highway, we can drive all night long. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. We can drive around to the sky and see meat. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. I got my hands out the window, feeling the ocean breeze. Are we going again? Just you and I on another one of our famous midnight drives. Do you need to rant or just stay silent? Either.
So yes guys, I recently bought the Vision IS notes from a website called as booknet.in, and I asked you guys on my Instagram ID that do you want me to review these notes for you, from where I bought it, for how much I bought it, and everything in that context. So yeah, almost 95% of you voted for yes, you wanted me to review these notes. So yeah, I just included the small review of these notes and also about the website through which I bought this into this video. So yeah, I bought the notes. This is a sample of the notes that I received. As you can see, this is polity part 1, and I just have part 2 of the same polity and constitution. I will also include the video of me unboxing the parcel so that you will know the condition in which I received the parcel and everything. So I will just show you the unboxing video, and after that I will just talk to you about these notes. So hey guys, so these are the Vision IS notes. So I ordered these notes from the website called as booknet.in. So I was seeing these notes from a very long time. I just wanted to order them for myself, and I thought I have a platform where I can just use them and share with you all what I think about these notes. So yeah, today only I received that. I ordered them around 2 to 3 days ago. I think today I just received that in the mail. So yeah, now I will just unbox it and show you guys what are the content in this. So मैं सबका आपको दिखाती हूँ कितने books आए, कैसे आया, क्या आया, price क्या है. I will let you know everything about this. So yeah, now I'll just unbox it and show you guys what is exactly in this.
I got my hands out the window, feeling the ocean breeze. Are we going again? Just you and I on another one of our famous midnight drives. Do you need to rant or just stay silent? Either or, you know I'm compliant. Take a left up ahead, we're going towards the horizon. Don't stop going till we see the sun rising. You know this is who we are, this is what we do. Driving in circles till we find something new. The only person I enjoy sitting in the car with is you.
So yes guys, that was the unboxing video of these notes, and one thing that I really liked about these notes is that these notes are not a photocopy of the notes. These notes are actual xerox of the notes that are provided by the Vision IS. The total booklet that I received were 22, and every booklet was in a really good condition. The binding of the notes were also very good, and the print is also very good. So yeah, I will highly recommend you to buy these notes from the website that I am talking about, that is booknet.in, just because I have been struggling to find these notes, and I have gone through a lot of websites, and in 2 to 3 websites they were providing the notes in a very good quality, but the price was around 4,500 or 4,700, that I thought was really high for these notes. I came across this website that was suggested to me by one of the friend, and he just told me that this website is a really good website, and I bought these notes for around 3,500 only, with some bucks for delivery charges that will be according to your home address or the pin code. So yes, that will vary a little bit, around 200 I think, but the price of the notes was 3,500 for the 22 booklets that I received. They also have the notes for Vajiram, or if you are interested to buy the Vajiram notes, you will also get that on the website. I just thought to include this just because someone will be interested to buy that notes. So yeah, you will also get those notes on that website, and also the notes that is of Vision IS. I bought the Vision IS one, and by far I am actually loving these notes. It just has a small section here that is for student notes. This is very useful for me, because I just used to make a lot of notes, and if you have seen my earlier vlogs, in that also you have seen that I used to make the separate notes and I used to write everything in that. But now I can just write all that notes into the notes itself. I just have a separate part in which I can write these notes. This is a very much bonus point for me, and yes, I will highly recommend you to buy these notes. If you are willing to buy these notes, you can buy from the website that I am talking about. I will just find the link to the website and just put the link in the description box below, so that it will be easy for you to find the website and you will not be very much confused about that. Now let's just move forward with the vlog. Now I will just complete the remaining 2-hour session for environmental geography.
I called my mom. No, nothing's wrong, I just wanna talk. To hear her voice and feel so small, like when I was young. I wanna know I'm not on my own, 'cause I feel alone. Yeah, I've got love, more than enough, but is it too much? Spread too thin, breaking my back to keep too many friends. I need them to need me around, to be an audience for my breakdowns. 'Cause I don't wanna be the center of the universe.
So it is just a spontaneous decision, and now I am just baking a chocolate cake. I just completed the 4-hour session for environment geography. Now I just had a 2-hour break, so I thought I can just utilize this time and bake a chocolate cake. So yeah, I'm just doing that now.
The gravity on Earth works over time, and so do I. So I'll find my way to the edge for some perspective on the universe. Did you know a supernova only glows after it explodes? That's a fact I hold on to when panic attacks.
Now I will just show you how I organize all my notes. As you guys know, I recently bought the Vision IS notes and they send us the booklets of notes. They are just binded together and it is very difficult to write on those notes. So I just removed the stapler and the sellotape that they provide to the booklets, and after that I just punched the notes, and now I'm keeping all those notes inside this box file, because whenever I need to just access a particular part of the notes, I can just remove that particular part from these files, and it is very much easy to handle these kind of notes when you just unbind them, punch them and keep them inside the files. I just did the same for all the notes that I had, and now it is very much easy for me to just access a single chapter from the notes, and whenever the notes are unbinded you can easily write on the notes, and this is really a very good bonus point. So yeah, if you guys are also buying these notes, you can also do the same, because it is very much easy to write on them, and you don't have to make a separate notes for all this. Now I'm just making these dividers because I think this will help me to just distinguish between all the different notes that I have in a single box file.
Breaking my back to keep too many friends. I give myself the space that I need and leave the atmosphere.
So this is where I am keeping all my box files now. As you can see here, the brown ones are the ones that I bought recently for Vision IS, and the blue ones are the ones that I owned earlier. So as guys, if you have seen my earlier vlogs, you know that I was covering all the topics from this topics file that I have made here. So this file contains all the topics that I need to cover for my mains exam. So in 2021 I am going to give my MPSC, that is Maharashtra PSC exam. So yeah, this book contains all the topics that I need to cover for my mains exams. Now my state PSC is only 5 months away, so now I think rather than mains I should now focus on prelims. So now today I am going to make a spreadsheet of all the topics that I need to cover for my prelims, because I think now I need to do a fresh start, because from last 2 weeks there is a lot of renovation going on in my house, and that's the reason I could not focus on my studies more. So yeah, now I'm just going to make a spreadsheet of all the topics that I need to cover for my mains exam, and yeah, now I'll just do that. I'll keep you guys here and you will see a time lapse of me doing that. So yeah.
Carrying the world hurts, and I'm getting tired. I'd settle for Jupiter. The gravity on Earth works overtime, and so do I. So I'll find.
So this is the layout of all the topics that I need to cover for my prelims exam. As you can see here, I have listed down all the subtopics, and once I am done with that, I will just write the date on which I completed that here, so that it will be easy for me to revise it later. So I have done the same for all other subjects also. So that was the spreadsheet that I made for my prelims exam. Now in my further vlogs you will see me focusing more on the spreadsheet rather than the topics file that I have. Many topics from this are also remaining for me to complete. Yes, I will do that simultaneously. I will just manage the time between the spreadsheet and also the topics file. So yeah, now mostly almost 80% of the time you will see me focusing more on the prelims exam rather than my mains exam. So yes, you will see both of them in the further vlogs. So yeah, just stay tuned with the channel, and I think this is it for today's video. I hope you like the video, and if you do, as usual, don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for all the support that you are giving. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, stay home, stay safe, bye.
My way to the edge for some perspective on the universe.